Welcome back to the Miyagi course. In our last lesson, we discovered how to use generative AI as a writing assistant to boost productivity and creativity. Today, we'll learn how to wisdomify any topic to learn fast and efficiently. What is wisdom? It's a combination of learning, experience, and abstraction. By studying prompting and then prompting about writing and communication, we improve our own thinking processes, leading us toward wisdom. Let's break this down with our prompts. First, summarize this topic in 1 word, 2 words, and 3 words. Summarize this topic in 1 word. Summarize this topic in 2 words. Summarize this topic in 3 words. Next, let's focus on a specific field. Video marketing. Summarize video marketing in 1 word. Summarize video marketing in 2 words. Summarize video marketing in 3 words. Summarize video marketing in 10 to 20 words. Now, create a plan to learn video marketing, focusing on strategies. Give a 1-day timeline. Give a 1-week timeline. Give a 1-month timeline. Give a 1-year timeline. Remember, wisdom involves recognizing patterns, experiencing feedback, and understanding deeply. AI can help us solve the blank page problem, but you need to take action, sometimes fail, and gain knowledge. Experience the process and grow wiser. More than 74% of views on this channel are from frequent viewers who haven't subscribed. If you've ever enjoyed my videos, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. It helps the channel more than you think. The bigger the channel gets, the better guests I can invite and the better videos I can publish. Fair? Subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. All the prompts are listed below. Check the description for a link to subscribe to my email list and get my free guide, which is always kept up to date with the latest tips. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to make better decisions using AI.